New York City, a bustling metropolis known for its iconic skyline and vibrant culture, also serves as a gateway to some of the most stunning natural landscapes in the region. For those seeking a quick escape from the urban jungle, day hikes provide an ideal solution. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a leisurely stroll through nature, there are numerous trails within a short drive or train ride from the city. This guide will explore some of the best one-day hikes near NYC that are perfect for beginners, offering a blend of beautiful scenery and manageable terrain. Just a short drive from Manhattan, the Palisades Interstate Park boasts breathtaking views of the Hudson River and the New Jersey skyline. One of the most accessible trails here is the Shore Trail, which runs along the river and offers a relatively flat path, making it ideal for beginners. The trail spans about 5 miles, and hikers can enjoy picturesque vistas of the river and surrounding cliffs. Along the way, there are plenty of spots to stop for a picnic or simply take in the views. The park is also home to various wildlife, adding an element of excitement to your hike. For those who are ready for a bit more challenge while still being beginner-friendly, Breakneck Ridge is a popular choice. Located along the Hudson River in the Hudson Highlands State Park, this trail is known for its stunning panoramic views. The hike is steep in sections, but the well-marked paths and the option to turn back at any point make it manageable for beginners. The most rewarding part is reaching the summit, where hikers can enjoy breathtaking views of the Hudson Valley. The trail is about 3.7 miles long, and while it can be strenuous, the sense of accomplishment and the scenery make it worthwhile. The Appalachian Trail, one of the most famous hiking trails in the United States, also has sections that are accessible for beginners. A great starting point is the section in Harriman State Park, which is just a short train ride from the city. The trails here are well marked and offer a variety of landscapes, from serene lakes to rolling hills. A popular route is the 2.5-mile loop around Lake Sebago, which provides a gentle hike with beautiful views. This area is perfect for beginners looking to experience a taste of the Appalachian Trail without committing to a long-distance hike. Croton Gorge Park, located in Westchester County, is another excellent option for beginner hikers. The park features a variety of trails, with the Croton Dam Trail being particularly popular. This easy 1.5-mile loop offers stunning views of the Croton Dam and the surrounding area. The trail is well maintained and suitable for all skill levels, making it a great choice for families or those new to hiking. The sound of rushing water and the sight of the dam create a peaceful atmosphere, perfect for a relaxing day outdoors. For those who prefer a more urban hiking experience, the Hudson River Greenway is a fantastic option. This 11-mile path runs along the west side of Manhattan, providing stunning views of the river and the city skyline. The trail is flat and paved, making it accessible for beginners and families. Along the way, there are numerous parks, piers, and rest areas where hikers can take breaks and enjoy the scenery. The Greenway is perfect for those looking to combine a leisurely walk with the vibrant energy of New York City. Exploring the natural beauty surrounding New York City is an enriching experience, especially for beginners eager to embrace the outdoors. Each of these hikes offers unique landscapes and varying levels of difficulty, ensuring that there's something for everyone. Always remember to wear appropriate footwear, pack enough water and snacks, and check the weather before heading out. Hiking is not just about the destination, it's about enjoying the journey and connecting with nature. So grab your gear, hit the trails, and discover the breathtaking beauty just beyond the city limits. With these beginner-friendly hikes, you'll find that adventure is closer than you think, waiting just outside the bustling streets of NYC.